Today we are going to show you how to get started with your new Rally 110 and Rally 210 series pedals. We will also connect your compatible Garmin Rally pedals to a compatible Edge cycling computer. For this video, we will be using the Rally 210 pedals, but the process is similar for Rally 110 pedals. You will need a compatible smartphone with the Garmin Connect app installed. For this video, we will be using a compatible Apple iPhone, but the process is similar for compatible Apple iPads and compatible Android smartphones and tablets. You will also need your Rally pedals, the included USB-C cable, a 15mm pedal wrench, bike grease, cloth, the included QR code, and your bike. First, connect the left Rally pedal to power using the USB-C cable. You will need to do this before you power the pedals on for the first time. Unplug the pedal. This will place the Rally pedals into pairing mode. This is indicated by a flashing purple light. Next, scan the QR code to begin the pairing process. Select Start to begin the pairing process. The Garmin Connect app will search for your Rally pedals. Select Connect It once the pedals are found. Select Pair when prompted. Select Next once the pairing is complete. Next, choose your connection type. A secure connection is only for greater data security. This will require putting the pedals in pairing mode in the device settings each time. An open connection is required for legacy devices that connect via AMP+. This offers less security but more device connections. For this video, we will select an open connection. Select Allow when prompted. Select Done once the setup is complete. Now it's time to install your Rally pedals onto your bike. Use soapy water or isopropyl alcohol on your cloth to remove any grease or debris from the cranks. Apply a thin layer of grease to the spindle threads. This will prevent them from getting stuck. Now, install the right pedal. Carefully screw the pedal into the drive side crank arm and tighten with the pedal wrench. Garmin recommends tightening to 35 Newton meters or 25 foot-pounds. Repeat this process with the left pedal. Make sure you have at least 2 millimeters of clearance from the back of the pedal to the chain. Move your bike chain to the largest chain ring and the smallest cassette gear. You can add one washer between the spindle and the crank arm if the pedal rubs on the chain. This will increase clearance. Now, let's pair your Rally pedals to your compatible Edge. Select the menu button. Then, select Sensors. Select the plus icon. Select Power. Now rotate the crank arms to wake your Rally pedals up. Select the plus icon. Select the check mark to continue setting up your Rally pedals. Now enter your crank length. The Edge will ask if you would like to calibrate your Rally power meter before every ride. Select Yes to calibrate the Rally power meter. Make sure you are unclipped from your pedals before selecting Start. The Rally pedals will now calibrate. Select the check mark once the calibration is successful. Finally, adjust each pedal spring tension using an Allen wrench if needed. Make sure to adjust the pedal tension equally on both sides of the pedal. Remember that each time you ride, you'll need to rotate the crank arms to wake up your power meter. And that's it! You are now ready to ride. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit support.garmin.com.